Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to search and book your next vacations at Bzzworld Travel. Bzzworld Travel provides a 360-degree travel service. You can search and book hotels, cruises, car rentals, flights, exclusive home, weekly stays and activities. Now, let's make our first hotel booking. Simply type the name of the location you intend to visit, followed by the date you intend to check in and check out, the number of rooms and persons, including both adults and children. Now press search. A list of available options will now show. On the left panel, you can sort your result and apply to filter by biggest percentage of savings, price high to low, price low to high, ratings and search by hotel name. You can compare our hotel prices with other online platforms. Click on the hotel photo to see more images. From the right panel, you can see the public price, the total of savings applied, and the total price included of tax. Once you find one that looks good for you, press select room, so that you can see all the range of rooms offered. The page will now expand and show you the available rooms. Here you can also read the hotel's policies and descriptions, the average price per night, saving in dollars, and the total price. Go on. Select the one which suits you best, then press the button Book Now. You will be taken to the payments screen. Now select the traveler for this booking. From here, you can select a previously added credit card, if you have already used our services and chosen to save the credit card details on our secure server. If you are using a new credit card, please enter the card type, the numbers, and the expiration date. Then, please enter the billing country on the required field on the right. If you are purchasing from the United States, UK or Canada, you will also need to fill the billing postal code field. Finally, type your name on its required field. Click Save if you are adding a new card. The new card will now appear on the list of available credit cards for payments. If this is the only card you have saved on the system, then it will be already pre-selected as the one to be used for the payments. Please manually type the required CCV number. These are 3 numbers found on the back or in front of your credit card. Now that you have selected the appropriate card to use, you can enter an email address of anyone you would like to receive a copy of your travel itinerary. Please review your reservation name and other details before you confirm your booking. You can do so from the reservation summary box at the top right corner of your screen. Please read the terms and conditions and the cancellation terms, then when you are ready, tick the agreement field. You can now place your reservation by clicking the button to complete the booking. Well done, you have successfully made a reservation. You will see a confirmation message will now appear on the screen. In addition to this, details of your booking and a confirmation will be sent to the email addresses of your choice. For future reference, details of your booking are also saved in your account at Bzzworld Travel. To view them, go to My Dashboard, then head to the account history under reservation on the left menu. From there, you will see a list of all your transactions. Click View on any transaction from the link on the right to view more details. You can also print the travel itinerary by clicking the printable version. Congratulations, you have mastered the payment process and can now easily book any of the Bzzworld Travel services. Start your wonderful journey with Bzzworld Travel today.